Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is a common error that can happen when you're trying to install Roblox on your computer, and it can be frustrating because it's not always clear how to fix it. What causes the error? This error can happen for a few different reasons. One possibility is that you have another instance of the Roblox installer running in the background. This could be because you tried to install Roblox multiple times, or because you had an unfinished installation from a previous time. Another possibility is that you have a corrupted Roblox installation file. This can happen if you downloaded the file from an untrusted source, or if there was a problem with your internet connection while you were downloading it. There are a few different things you can try to fix this error. 1. Restart your computer. This is a simple fix, but it can often solve minor problems. 2. Check for other instances of the Roblox installer. If you're still getting the error after starting your computer, open the task manager and check for any other processes that are named Roblox player installer. If you see any, right-click on them and select End Task. 3. Reinstall Roblox. If you're still getting the error after trying the above tips, you may need to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To do this, go to the Control Panel and select Programs and Features, the list of programs, and click Uninstall. Once Roblox is uninstalled, download the latest version of Roblox installer from the Roblox website and reinstall the program. Additional tips: if you're still having trouble fixing this error, you can try the following. Make sure you have enough disk space. Roblox requires a certain amount of disk space to install. If you're running low on disk space, try clearing some up before trying to install Roblox again. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.